What is up, YouTube? And thank you so much for clicking on my video. If you're here, you're probably wondering how to get a U.S. passport. Pasporte. I don't even know if that's a Spanish word, but we're gonna go with it. I'm just gonna eat my cheese, my Tillamook cheese, and I will come back to you guys very shortly. I love cheese. Cheese. Alright, I finished my snack. Now I am ready to tell you how to get your passport. So first, you're going to want to complete your DS11 application. What is that, you may ask? It is the application you fill out to get your passport. So you can get this two of which ways. You can go into the post office, get an application, and if you have nice handwriting, you can handwrite it in. If you are like me and have terrible handwriting, you may go on the departmentstate.gov site and type in all your information and print it out, and you can turn it in that way. Now they do want to make sure you are who you say you are and you are a citizen of the US, so you do have to bring in a photocopy of your ID or driver's license and a photocopy of your birth certificate. Alright, now the third thing you're going to want to do, number 3, is get your passport picture taken. Now you can do this at a variety of different places. You can go to CVS, Walgreens, UPS, Walmart. Now when I went to Walmart, I was so unlucky because the person who usually takes the passport pictures was on a lunch break, and I just wanted to get it done because I hate standing around Walmart. And so this guy just took it for me. He was an older gentleman, bless his heart, but he did not know how to work a camera. This man was taking my passport picture that I will have for the next 10 years. Red flags. I should have known when he said, "I'll take your picture," and didn't know how to turn on the camera. Like, yeah. Bruh. And 2, it was Walmart lighting, and I don't know why I did it. So I just looked terrible, and he just went, snapped a picture, and voila, and I got an ugly passport picture. I hope you don't have this experience. Alright, step number 4. You are going to calculate your fees. So for the book itself, for an adult, so if you're 17 and older, it's going to be $110. If you're just getting the card, it will be the passport card that allows you to travel to, valid for only international land and sea travel between the United States, Canada, Mexico, the Caribbean, and the Bermuda. This is only $30. So together, if you want both of them, it's $140. Now, if you're 16 and under, or you're trying to get a passport for your kid, you are in luck because it's a lot cheaper. For the book, it's $80, and for the card, it is $15. So together, it is $95, and you got your passport and your passport card. Alright, and after you have completed all of the things, you can now turn it into the post office or the courthouse. I went to the courthouse, but that includes your completed and not signed application, a photocopy of your state ID or driver's license, a photocopy of your birth certificate, your passport photos, and the fee that it's going to be. So it's $140. However, when I went to the courthouse, they actually charged me a $25 fee for them to send it in, which is ridiculous, but whatever. Actually, they didn't take my debit card, so I would just, on the safe side, get a money order, check, or cash. My sister had to write me a check. Thank God she was there. And I just paid her back. But like I said, to be on the safe side, cash, money order, or check. And after that, you wait. So it could take between 8 to 3 weeks. They say on the site 4 to 6. But mine actually came in 3 weeks, and then I have heard of some people not getting it until like 8 weeks, which is crazy. I would be freaking out, be like, "Where's my passport? Where's my passport?" You know, all crazy. If you are a procrastinating penny, you can pay for expedited shipping. So I think it's around $44, and they also have overnight shipping if you are really last minute, or you lost it or something and you need to renew it because your trip's coming up. You may pay for expedited shipping. And then you just wait, and it's there, and voila, you are going on your trip. Alrighty, thank you so much for watching my video. I really do appreciate it. And if it was beneficial and helpful to you, definitely give me a thumbs up, hit subscribe, or leave me a comment, even if it's constructive criticism, because I am very amateur right now. Like, I hate to say that, but definitely leave a comment, and we can chill and eat cheese later, you know. If you'd like to hit subscribe and keep up with me, this May I will be traveling to Europe, and in September I will be traveling through Central America, and I will definitely be recording throughout the way. So again, thank you, have a good day, afternoon, and night, and I will talk to you guys later.